Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and today, guess what we're doing? We're not fixing salvage, we are fixing a Pocher Porsche 917K Golf Edition. Now I did not realise until the postman delivered it how big this thing is. It's a 1:8 die-cast model of the car, and I'm going to be fixing it, and there's going to be a special guest in this video, so stay tuned. Right, so without further ado, let's get this bad boy open. Oh my gosh, have a look at all of these pieces. Oh my God. Oh, I think this is going to take a while, guys. This would be a brilliant thing to do over Christmas if you've got a bit of time over the Christmas break. Right, let's take all these bits off and see what we're left with. Well, so I'm going to follow the instruction manual for once in my life because I've never ever done this before. So I suppose it can't hurt, can it? Phase 1. Right. Oh. Right, so I'm struggling a bit. So we have called in the big guns. Our special guest today is
Charlie.
Charlie's my little brother. Do you reckon you've got it in you to complete this?
It's light work, mate.
Light work.
It'll be easy.
Light work, yeah?
Here, man.
Have you had experience doing this before?
Only Lego.
Only Lego. I think you might be a little bit adept this time, boy.
Nah, mate, it's easy work, man.
He took us a good game, didn't he? He took us a good game. Well, I suppose if you're not fixing crashed cars yet, I suppose this will be a good little starter to get you into it, won't it?
Yeah, I suppose.
And you're the pool player, aren't you? You play pool.
Yeah, the best out of them all. Alfie likes to disagree, though.
Yeah, he does, doesn't he? Right, well, let's get started. Right, well, let's get on with the build. Now, I don't really get to fix many cars with my little brother because sometimes it is a bit too much for him, but these Pocher models are an absolute perfect way to sort of get his brain working and get him thinking, how are we going to end up fixing these crash cars one day? I mean, this model on its own has 312 pieces that need to be put together and takes over 30 hours to make, so it would definitely give you something to do over the Christmas period. It is build day 2, and well, look what we done yesterday. We got a little bit of a head start. We got the engine nearly together. We got the back of the gearbox together. And well, yesterday you just seen me building it up, and it's what I got Charlie to do. He basically ran around, got me all the little parts that I needed, and then kept on topping me up. So he was, he was the fuel for it. We'll put it that way. But today we're going to build it the whole entire day. We're going to see what we can do. So I'll stop talking. I'll get it propped up there on my tripod. But there's a lot of parts to this, a lot of parts. So I definitely did. Well, I didn't think that it would be as this intricate and as this attention to detail that Pocher has gone through on this, because yeah, I've never done anything like this before. But attention to detail is 10 out of 10. not defeated. I'm definitely not defeated. But I underestimated how good and how intricate this 917K is. The time is now 1:20 in the morning. I've done this thing all day, and we have managed to build up the engine. I mean, just in this engine alone. So we had to build up the back of the gearbox first. They're all individual, separate little parts, and there's all parts inside of the gearbox. The engine, it's just so much to it. I mean, it's brilliant. It's absolutely brilliant. You can just leave it to the side, and you can just do a couple hours here and there, and you'll build it up. Over Christmas, that was definitely what I'll be doing with. There's a Pocher Lamborghini Aventador. I'll definitely be doing that with that. This one I'm going to try and get done though, because I really want to get it done. But God, I did underestimate how intricate this piece is. This is very well thought out. I mean, some of the parts that are in it, everything to the correct colour code for everything to the, just a tiny little intricate bits, even like, they all move, look, really. Even that, look, it all moves, it is really, it's a work of art, I'd say. In the description box below will be a link to Pocher. If you've got a dad, brother, cousin, mum, anybody who's into cars and is petrol head, even if they rebuild real cars like I do, if you want to get them something to do over Christmas, I think that is a brilliant present to get. It'll keep them entertained for hours, and the satisfaction you get out of building it, well, it's just like building a real car. The satisfaction is absolutely brilliant. So, I mean, look at all the little intricate bits in here that you have to all piece together. So if you guys are looking for a Christmas present, and I know Dad is an absolute pain to buy for, but I mean, look no further. Look no further. This is a perfect little present to get for somebody. But I know that there is only a limited amount of these made, so you need to get your orders in quick if you're thinking about getting it for a Christmas present. Have a look, guys, at the artwork that Pocher has sent out in the bundle. This is a 1 of 50 limited edition. So after our model is completely done, that will definitely be going on the wall. Of 50. So make sure that you guys are getting your orders in thick and fast. The link is in the description box below. But with that being said, I'm going to continue to push on with this tomorrow, and I'll see you all for the second build.